In this video, we will show you how to change caps to lowercase in Excel. Many a times, a user might type in text without realizing that the entire text was written with the caps lock turned on. This user can either retype everything again in the lowercase, or can convert the text written in caps to lowercase. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will write a few lines containing all capital letters in the column A. Once you have entered the data, insert the lower formula in the cell where you want to reproduce the text written in caps into lowercase. Type in equals to lower, bracket open, the cell containing the capital letters, bracket closed. You will see that the text written in the cell was copied to the one where you placed the formula. However, in the transition process, the caps was changed to lowercase. Now you can drag the formula if you want to apply it to other cells as well. If you want to change the letters in lowercase into capital letters, type in the following formula. Equals to upper, bracket open, the cell containing the lowercase letters, bracket closed. You will notice that the letters in lowercase were changed to caps. In this manner, you can change caps to lowercase or vice versa in Excel.